Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk about life, love, career, and anything that makes you happy and healthy. This is your host, Angela. Welcome. Sa lahat ng mga panganay, to all the eldest child like me, sometimes we are being so admired because we are the strongest part of the family, we are the breadwinner of the family, we are the biggest support system of the family, we are that responsible child. But have you ever asked yourself, since ikaw yung panganay, ikaw yung nauna, ano kaya yung kailangang i-give up ng mama mo just to choose you? Ano kaya yung mga pinagdaanan niya na hindi niya naikikwento sa'yo because she wants to focus on you? Yung mga bagay na hindi na niya ginawa dahil nandun ka na sa sinapupunan niya. You know, I heard a lot of stories of women who got abused, who got raped. Despite that painful experience, sa lahat ng sakit na pinagdaanan nila, mas pinili nilang mag-focus sa'yo. Kasi nandun ka na. May buhay na sa loob nila. May mga kwento din akong narinig na may mga kababaihan na napakatalino, they're very talented, and their future, were bright. But because they got pregnant, they put those dreams on hold. Yung iba nga, they stop dreaming kasi mas importante ka sa kanila. Mas importanteng pagtuunan nila ng pansin yung una nilang anak. And these stories are stories that are not often told by our mom. So if you are here at panganay ka, if you are the eldest of the family, if you have the chance, if hindi mo alam, and you are very open to your mom, I think it's better for you to ask kung ano yung mga bagay na sinakripisyo nila just to choose you. Yung mga pangarap nila na hindi nila ipinagpatuloy dahil nandun ka. And thank them. Pasalamatan mo sila. Kasi hindi natin alam yung totoong mga kwento nila kasi they just want to focus on us. And after that, pahalagahan mo sila. Kung may mga bagay kayong hindi nasasabi na gusto nyo sabihin, sabihin mo sa kanila. At kung may mga bagay kayong nagawa na that deserves an apology, you say sorry. There are things that we don't know. There are stories that we are not being told. But it is for us to unravel those stories and allow ourselves to realize that there are things in life that we don't know. And that's the reason why we need to choose kindness all the time. Thank you so much for listening. And again, I'm rooting for you. Thank you.